TV, I'm here at BYD Greenfield Mandaluyong, and we are here to celebrate also sa inauguration nitong BYD dealership showroom na nandito sa likuran ko. At tara at maki-join tayo sa kanila pong inauguration. Let's go!
Welcome to Go E-Vehicle, your go-to channel for electric vehicles, including the latest trends, updates, insightful discussion, and EV reviews.
In this, as we all welcome BYD Greenfield. Now, ladies and gentlemen, help me in welcoming this milestone in 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm gonna big hand for BYD. And of course, with that, we are now officially open, marking the beginning of an exciting new chapter for BYD here in Greenfield as we continue to drive innovation, sustainability, and a greener future for all. Thank you so much to all our VIPs who helped us out.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's raise our glasses as we go to the future of mobility and to BYD Greenfield success. Everybody cheers!
Lunchtime na. Antay lang tayo, medyo mahaba ang pila. But anyway, and kakatapos lang ng inauguration. Alright. So, ayun, kanina nagkating ribbon na doon. And of course, ayan, bagong dealership ulit ng BYD showroom ang nagbukas dito sa heart of Metro Manila. Think Mandaluyong is yung pinaka-center ng Metro Manila, di ba? So guys, ayan, makiki-join tayo lalo na sa pagkain. Okay, ito naman yung kanilang releasing area. So dito sa area na to, dito nila nilalagay yung mga cars for EV na for release. So ano yung malaking susi doon. Diba? Nakikita nyo. Ay, hindi siya susi. Remote pala. Okay, ayan, ito yung area nila for releasing. KV, pasukin natin kanilang service area. Okay? KV, ito naman yung kanilang battery transit area. Yan. As you can see, wala naman laman eh. And another room for new EV assembly. Yan. KV, check natin. Tingnan nyo dito. So, yan lang naman yun kay EV. And ito yung battery transit area. Katabi ko ngayon si Sir John Agustin Escudilla. And ito, siya yung magtutour sa atin dito sa BYD service area o service center nila dito sa BYD Greenfield. Okay?
Actually, matagal na tong service center, but now it all houses lahat ng BYD models. Kita sa likod, may Atto 3, yung mga vans nila, may Sea Lion 6 pa nga. Pero, punta tayo doon, nag-extend pa lalo itong base na to.
Okay. Wala to dati.
Wala pa yan dati. Yan.
Wala. So, dito lang dati sa gilid. So,
ibang brands nandito, pero na yun, I think, all BYD models na lang siya.
Sige. Okay. Tara kay
So, ito, mga BYD models. This one is a very special because this is the BYD Tank. 7-seater if gusto mo ng performance ng BYD Han or BYD Seal. Pero gusto mo ng kasama mo ang pamilya mo, this is the car for you. Pero mas maliit and one of the most popular models. Meron tayo dito yung Atto 3, nakatakpan lang siya at the moment. And hawak ko, by the way, special thanks to BYD Greenfield, may bago tayong Bluetooth speaker.
Wow.
And yun, bagong renovated itong service area and one of the most popular models. Again, we have here the Sea Lion 6. Baka mapabili ako dito, the Oros din. So, behind the camera, si Go EV Vehicle, sana ma-feature niya din soon ulit yung Seal 5 DMI. Yan ang favorite model ko at the moment. So yan, mga service vans nila. Again, another Atto 3. Then dito tayo sa kanan naman, ito yung bagong extension nila. So, in case marami magpapaservice sakali, yan. And yan, ngayon ko lang ulit nakita, BYD Seagull. One of the best small EVs that you can buy. And yan, almost same models naman. And most likely soon, mas marami pang BYD marating dito sa Pinas. And kayo na bahala kung anong gusto niyong bumili ng kahit anong BYD.
Kung magbibisit kayo rito, ay sa mga BYD brand, yan, pwede kayong maki-charge dito. And ang dami, may mga charger din doon sa area na yun. Libre lang. Sabi nila, libre lang kapag BYD brand. Alright? Kanina kasama natin si Jan Escuderia. So, yun. Siya ay nag-tour sa atin dito sa service area ng BYD. Anyway, okay. Behind me, ayan, ito yung bagong police vehicle ng. So, abangan nyo to sa Tuesday. So, ayaw ko nang ipakita sa inyo ng buo. So, abangan nyo na lang sa Tuesday yung ating cover nitong bagong police vehicle. So, ka-EV, if you like to know more about electric vehicle, so please do it, subscribe Electric Vehicle channel, Go EV Vehicle at Go EV sa Facebook page. Okay? And of course, ayan, pabanggay na tayo. Ayan. Oh, muntik na tayo doon. Anyway, ka-EV, yun lang. I'm Mark from Go EV Vehicle, your electric vehicle channel. Let's go!